In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Adobe Premiere Pro online. To get started, head down and click on the link in the description down below. This is going to take you across to the official Adobe website. Then we're going to head up to the top left-hand side and click on Creativity and Design. And then under Featured Products, we're going to select Premiere Pro. Now, if you're ready to get video editing that's a cut above the rest, you can click on that blue Buy Now button. What you're going to get access to is all the amazing features inside of Premiere Pro, including all the new AI features that make your editing faster, smarter, and easier than ever. It's going to help you craft the perfect story for your videos. And the great thing is you can balance color and set the tone so that you can create your own style and feel for your brand and for your videos. There are so many other amazing features where you can mix audio, you can create amazing eye-catching effects, and you can animate titles and make your videos look amazing. So if you head down to the bottom, you can explore all the amazing features that you get from Premiere Pro. And once you're ready to get started, we're going to click on that blue Buy Now button. Now we have a few options. You can choose the individuals, you can choose for business, you can choose for students and teachers, or for schools and university. So we're going to go with individuals, choose the one that works best for you. And then you have a choice between the Adobe Premiere Pro only app or getting access to the Creative Cloud All Apps package, the Creative Cloud Suite, which includes Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe Express, your Premiere Pro, which we're going to get you, and Acrobat Pro. So we use the Creative Cloud All Apps plan, so we're going to select that. You can add in a free trial of Adobe stock. If you're interested in that, you can click and tick that and select. Now we're going to choose a payment plan. There's a monthly option, which you can cancel at any time with no fee. Then there's annual billed monthly, which is an annual contract that you pay monthly. But remember, fees do apply if you cancel this contract. And then there's the annual prepaid. So if you're a high roller, you can pay for everything upfront. And obviously, there's no refund if you cancel because you're going for the full annual prepaid. So we're going to select the monthly option. It is a little bit more expensive, and these prices might be different depending on when you are watching this video. So once you've chosen your option, click on the blue Continue button, and then double check your cart and options that you have chosen, and check the due date of when your payment is due and when your 1 month free trial ends for that Adobe stock if you selected that. Once you're happy with that, enter your email address and then click on the blue Continue button. And then in step 2 of 2, we're going to enter our payment information. You can put in your credit card info, or you can select PayPal as your payment method. Once you've completed your payment information, the download of the Creative Cloud app will start on your computer. You can open this up and then download Premiere Pro and get started editing your amazing videos. If you get stuck anywhere along the way, or if you have any questions about buying Premiere Pro online, let us know in the comment section down below, and we'll be happy to help you out. I hope you enjoy Premiere Pro as much as we do, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.